Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your XRP to BNB in Binance. It's an easy process, but you must have a Binance account. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, you're here with a verified account. How do you get your XRP? The first step is to head over to the wallet section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your crypto is stored. Now, once you've located your XRP, head over to the home section, click on the convert icon that's just there, and it's going to load in the convert screen where you simply select 1 inch and simply search for XRP. Now, click on the Ripple. And in the place of the Ripple or in the place of Bitcoin, select BNB. Now select the spot wallet drop down. And once you've selected this drop down, you can find either your funding wallet or your spot wallet, depending on where your crypto is stored. And then simply convert a good amount of your XRP into the BNB. And then simply click on convert. So by doing this, you can get yourself some BNB by swapping your XRP. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.